How's it going, everyone? Space Life here. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you the old garden in a field, and some of you might know it's got a new owner now. My dad's been looking after it, as I've got my own house now to look after. But yeah, it's all looking pretty cool. I thought I'd show you guys a few clips of it. And you know, our summer is just around the corner. All the extra sun, all the extra heat, everything's gonna shoot along. And you can already see by these raspberries, probably gonna have a lot of fruits this year. And that is always nice, because I put these raspberries in about 10 years ago. So it's great to just come here and see how they're doing, and hopefully get to pick some at some point. But yeah, here you go, guys. Oh yeah, and I got my cup of coffee here. So, I'll see you in the next clip. I love the bench. Simple but effective. So I hope you like this video, guys. You can see my dad's doing a pretty good job here, and it's quite nice up here, just letting it go a little bit wild, get all the flowers around, all the extra pollinators, and plenty of fruits too. So if you get a chance, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.